Hey, I'm here to teach you how to tap a maple tree. If I can do it, you can too. Let's get started. Okay, a couple things you'll need. Buckets. These are 2-gallon metal used sap collection buckets. Drill, not an impact drill. The hammering effect will get your bit stuck in the tree. So just a regular drill. This is a 5/16 bit. We've got some spiles, a hammer, or just a mallet. We want to tap on the south-southwest side of the tree. The tree must be bigger than 10 inches around. For specifics, see the caption. We're also going at a gentle slope, about 40 to 45 degrees. Try to go above a root or below a major branch. You're going to go about 2 inches deep. Take a small stick, remove any of the wood. Sap is absolutely flowing. Gently pound in the tip of the spile with a hammer, not too much force. We're just trying to make it secure. And then hang your bucket. When you are tapping, ideally you'll choose a location right where you can see a root line coming up out of the ground. Try to follow that root in your head where it would be and see where it would be carrying flow right up to a branch. You see what I mean? So the branch being here, we would trace that line if we could, kind of down to the base of that root. You know that there's going to be flow. That's the xylem. And put your spiles on there. Now, if you're going to do more than one, you want to keep those spiles somewhere between 18 and 24 inches apart. We don't want to overdo it. And then you can do up to 3 per large tree, so long as the diameter of the trunk is about 24 inches wide. I usually do no more than 2. And make sure you're always tapping on the southwest side of the tree.